Hello my dear students of class 2 and welcome again to your maths class. So in this class I will continue the same chapter subtraction, okay, and we'll do some sums related to this chapter. Okay, so you can see on the board I have written since we have already finished doing with borrowing the number, now let's do without borrowing, okay, without borrowing number. So let's start first. So it's from page number 65. So I am doing from page number 65. So let's start with this number 1. So let's subtract. Let's start from 1's. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 8 minus 7 is 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3. It's very easy and simple. This is what, without borrowing. You don't have to worry about the borrowing the number. You don't have to worry about borrowing the number. Okay, so just you can do this as simply. Okay, now let's move on to the second number. 1's place, 5 minus 3 is 2, right? 9 minus 7 is again 2, right? Then 4 minus 2 is again 2. So if you minus or if you subtract 273 from 495, you get 222. So subtract 495 and 273. So this is how you get the number, simply without borrowing any number. Next, here also 8 minus 4 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2. Yeah? Answer. Next, 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Please, what you need to remember is always start from 1's place, your right hand side. Okay, always start from right hand side. Whether you do multiplication, whether you do addition, subtraction, always start from right side. Okay, so that you get the answer, or correct answer. This is very easy from exercise 4b. This is from exercise 4b. Okay, it is very easy. You have to do without borrowing the number. Okay, so this is not much difficult for you to do this kind of sums. You can do this easily. Okay, this is super easy. Now we have, in the previous class we have done some sums with borrowing the number. Let me do some of the example from there, okay, as well, because I think you are not getting the sums, or you are not getting the questions properly. So just see here. We'll do from exercise 4D. Okay, I'll start from 5. Exercise 4D, question number 5. Exercise 4D, question number 5, page number 68. So the question, hundreds, tens, ones, 480, then 193 minus sign or subtraction sign, and then I'll do 6 number also, 100, tens, ones. Okay, let it be. Now first of all, we'll do this one. So now see the first number, which is 0, right? And it's not possible to subtract 3 from 0. What you need to do? You need to borrow number. You need to borrow a number. If you borrow a number from tens place, then this number ones place you'll have 10, isn't it? If you borrow 1 from tens place, then in ones place you'll have, it will be 10. Now this 3 minus 3. 10 minus 3, you can use your fingers or you can use your imagination to think of the numbers. So 10 minus 3 is 7, so you write 7 here. Now please, you need to be very careful, okay? After borrowing the numbers, you need to be very careful which number has left here. Now we have given 1, that means it is 7, right? 7 is left. Now here 7 minus 9, it's not possible. Again 7 minus 9, it's not possible again, because 9 is greater than 7 and 7 is smaller than 9. So again you have to borrow number from 100 place to here. Again you have to borrow a number from 100 place to tens place, because we are doing for tens place. Now if you borrow 1, it will be 17, right? Then 17 minus 9, it's very easy. We have already borrowed a number from 100 place to tens place, and it will be your 17. Now if you minus or subtract 17 and 9, you will get 8. Okay, then your next down here 8. Alright, now let's move on to 100 place. Now 100 place, we have borrowed the number. Now which number is left here? 3. Okay, 3 is left here. Now 3 minus 1 is easy. You will get 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 in 100 plus 2. So if you subtract 193 from 480, you will get 287, your required answer. Okay, you need to be very careful while borrowing the numbers. Okay, alright, now let's do one more example from page number 68, 6 number. Okay, 7 1 2, and then 2 0 1 minus. Okay, now again here start from ones place, 2 minus 1. It's very much possible because the first number is bigger than second one, so you can subtract it easily. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here in the tens place, 1 minus 0. If you minus 0 from 1, simple, no loss there, it will be 1 only. Now here 7 minus 2, 5. Easy. No need to borrow any number here, right? Okay, what I have done here, this is also simple. Now just change a number, a single number also matter. Now I have written another number, that's why it comes easily. Now if I make here a change in one number like 4, because this is the correct question here in the book. Now start from tens place. 2 minus 4. It's not possible, so we need to borrow number. Okay, so it will be your 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So you write here 8. Okay, now this tens place, it is 1, we have already given. So here 0 is left. 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. No loss there, no number. And then 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, you don't have to bother about this tens place because the second number is also 0. That's why you don't have to worry about the borrowing the numbers. Okay, so this is also simple for you all. And the remaining sums easy if you watch the video. If you watch the video, you know, with 100% concentration, you will get, you will know, or you will understand the concept, and you will be able to do the sums easily. So all you need to do is to watch the videos whenever you get the time. So in the next class we will do some word problem related to this topic, subtraction. So this much for today's class. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you so much.